It's 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. I feel kind of like I've gotten hit by a bus. We're staying at the Citizen. I'll do a whole tour, but I just turned on TV. I'm drinking some water. My hair is crazy. I don't really know if there's anything I can do about that. I have about 2.5 hours before I have to be anywhere, so I'm gonna just go through the footage that I have so far and pull it onto the computer. This hotel is so cool, and the breakfast honestly slapped.
But clearly that's not the case, so more like, whoa, I should have brushed my teeth before
I wanted to give a room tour. I always love watching room tours on YouTube. But this room honestly gave European hostel. It was a really thin room design. Everything was kind of compact, but you had what you needed. I almost felt like I was on like an airplane or a train or something. Had a pretty big bed. Everything was controlled by this iPad, which I love. Hotels like this, I could just hop in bed and not think of anything. I kept playing with the lights because apparently I'm a 15-year-old boy, but I wanted to make the room pink, so that's what I did. The bathroom was pretty neat. It was all compact into like this little room that had some glass surrounding it, so colors could like shine in. I don't know, I kind of felt like I was at a club almost. But overall, it was just so cute. I don't know, it gave like unique experience, even though I mean, it was nothing crazy, but again, it just kind of felt like I was on a train or something. But this is the Citizen Hotel in Seattle. I talked to the girl up front, and I think they had a location in Amsterdam, because I swear I've heard of them before. But highly recommend. Definitely worth the money. So
Coffee, tea, spices.
the OG stuff. CEOs, you know? Oh.
So I got the little Friday mango dragon.
A medium mango strawberry refresher.
No, because I'm going to put... Thank you very much. Wait, cheers. That's crazy. Oh my god.
it goes up and out.
The Space Needle is the camera.
One moment. Yeah. I just want my phone.
That's so cool.
Right up the needle costs $1 in 1962.
Wait, what? That is a really cool little thing.
$3.25 was the hourly wage in dollars. I
Though.
knew I was making it hard for the engineers.
That is so funny.
The foundation is 30 feet deep. The foundation is.
Oh, these are the phases.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, this is insane.
There's so much history. I feel like I need to watch a video.
I know.
They have a movie.
Or so, this elevator moves at about 8 miles per hour, which would feel excruciatingly slow in a car, but for an elevator, it's pretty fast. The body of water over my left shoulder to our right is Lake Union. That is, of course, where they shot most of, well, the single day of Sleepless in Seattle that they shot in Seattle. Puget Sound is to my right, to your left. That is where you would see a whale if you were lucky enough to see a whale. This time of year, though, you're
You're done.
You're done.
I'm gonna drop you guys off at the level that's just underneath us.
Whoa, dude. So much.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is where our building is on this side, I think.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh.
The mountains in the back. Oh, I think that's the one. Oh, yeah, that's one. Look at the. Oh my god, it's seasonal.
Cheers. Oh my gosh. Adding in later that this was the coolest bar I've literally ever been to.
Yeah. I feel like it's helpful to have it up in like multiple things.
So this was the final day of the design install. I wanted to do a final video showcasing what the space looked like after everything had arrived. So all the furniture, seating, tables, games, books, all of the merchandising is designed and chosen by my coworkers and me and the entire design firm. The manpower it takes to put a project like this together is absolutely insane. My coworkers are extremely talented. As you can see, so this whole floor was like a co-working floor. It was one of the sections out of the building, which is a massive, like 40 story building in downtown Seattle. The desks were absolutely beautiful. They were black wood. All of the seating, there was a lot of different texture and fabric, lots of grays, browns, blacks, lots of neutral tones. These warm lights made the space feel so, well, warm, honestly. The views were absolutely insane. Every single place you sat, or anywhere you chose to sit, you had some sort of view, whether it was the public market, the mountains, the Space Needle, the water. This building is so cool. It's called Premier on Pine, if you're interested in looking up the building that we worked on. Also, I've never seen a pool table get assembled, and I'm about to show a video. It was literally a work of art. I loved this little seating group. I think this was like my favorite spot because in these two chairs you had a view of every single, like, of my favorite things, like the Space Needle, the public market, Pike Place, and the mountains. This is just such a cute little seating group. Let me know if anyone's interested in me putting together a video kind of explaining the career of an interior designer. There's a lot more than just this, but this is just such a highlight of the field. Being able to come across the country and see this beautiful project be assembled is amazing. I'm so lucky.